3, 2, 1.
Though I can write poetry, I can never hold a pen. What am I? The answer is A, keyboard. I'm tall and narrow. You stand in front of me. What am I? The answer is D, bridge. What is the capital city of Botswana? The answer is A, Gaborone. What mathematical term describes the study of shapes and their properties? The answer is A, geometry. What is a small, lightweight automobile with 2 seats? The answer is D, roadster. Sodium is a metal with 1 valence electron. Which of these elements has properties similar to sodium? The answer is B, potassium. What does a hockey puck weigh approx? The answer is D, 16 Oz. My peaks are like the teeth of a giant. What am I? The answer is D, mountain. In which state of matter are particles completely separate from one another? The answer is A, gaseous state. I'm round, red, and sweet, but if you try to hang me, you'll get in trouble. What am I? The answer is A, a tomato. I can be used to measure distance, but you can't hold me. What am I? The answer is B, ruler. Which of the following chefs made a guest appearance on the sitcom Frasier in 2002, playing himself? The answer is C, Wolfgang Puck. Respiration rate correlates with what? The answer is D, energy use. Sporangia produce spores that develop into tiny, heart-shaped what? The answer is A, gametophytes. Which language uses Roman script but reads from right to left? The answer is C, Arabic. Who are the winners of The Amazing Race 9? The answer is A, BJ and Tyler. Plastids are major cell organelles found in which of these groups of organisms? The answer is D, plants and algae. What is always in front but can never be seen? The answer is A, the future. What is the official language spoken by the population of the Republic of South Africa? The answer is C, all of these. What fact about Gaylord does Little Jack find very amusing in the 2004 comedy movie Meet the Fockers? The answer is D, that he is a nurse. The film Team America, World Police starts in what country? The answer is C, France. Which people believe that Christ will return to Earth in the near future? The answer is A, Adventists. What is the measure of how closely molecules are packed together? The answer is D, density. Which gas could cause rust to form on a metal can? The answer is B, oxygen. Ironically, the essay Areopagitica, which dealt with censorship, was banned in England. Who wrote this essay? The answer is B, John Milton. What is the title of the 1998 movie directed by Woody Allen in which Winona Ryder portrayed a character called Nola? The answer is D, Celebrity. Which ocean contains the Marianas Trench? The answer is A, Pacific. Used for scoring in soccer, but it can't walk. What am I? The answer is A, soccer ball. With which sport is Brian Lara associated? The answer is C, cricket. Halkidiki, one of the Greek peninsulas, has a peculiar form which resembles what? The answer is C, a trident. Scientists believe that oceans once covered much of what is now land. Which of these things found on land led scientists to believe this? The answer is C, fossils of fish. What do you call the atomic ingredients that go into a chemical reaction? The answer is D, reactants. Which supply is used for drawing shapes and figures? The answer is D, ruler. I'm light as a feather, yet the whole world cannot hold me for much longer. What am I? The answer is A, air. Which river flows through the Mekong Delta? The answer is C, Mekong. Which of these groups contains single-celled organisms? The answer is C, fungus. What do Richard F. Heck, Mario Vargas Llosa, Liu Xiaobo, and Robert G. Edwards have in common? The answer is B. They were all awarded a Nobel Prize in 2010. Body waves and surface waves are the two major types of what, which occur during earthquakes. The answer is B, seismic waves. I can travel faster than light, but I'm never in a hurry. What am I? The answer is A. Information. Who is the trickster god in Greek mythology? The answer is D. Hermes. Which would help conserve water? The answer is A. Turn off water while brushing teeth. Gymnosperms have seeds but do not have what? The answer is C. Flowers. A student is dissolving sugar in water to make candy. She notices that sugar lumps are forming at the bottom of the pan. What could she do to help more of the sugar dissolve? The answer is A. Heat the solution. Fossil fuel consumption is a major contributor to global emissions of what gas? The answer is D. Carbon dioxide. Which part of the eye controls focus? The answer is C. Lens. I weave the clouds but never shake. What am I? The answer is D. Loom. Who was the first woman to lead a political party in India? The answer is D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Which would likely result in a chemical change? The answer is B. A piece of meat submerged in lemon juice. What is the world's largest berry by weight? The answer is A. Rambutan. Traditional classification of mammals are based on similarities in what two things?